At Birmingham Waterworks, we provide a service that is essential to the health and hygiene of the communities we serve. However, while we continue to provide safe drinking water to our customers during the coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic, it is important that we observe the recommendations from medical professionals and the CDC for the safety of Birmingham Waterworks employees, our family, friends, and neighbors. In this video, we will review safety protocols on social distancing, hand washing, and the proper use and disposal of personal protective equipment, better known as PPE. COVID-19 is easily transmitted between people who are in close contact on a regular basis. Social distancing can mean maintaining a distance of at least 6 feet from others or avoiding unnecessary close contact with another individual. For those who work in the field, we are limiting one person per truck in order to maintain social distancing. Please exercise this same practice in personal vehicles when possible. If you are showing symptoms of infection, including cough, fever, and shortness of breath, do not report to work. Instead, call your immediate supervisor and seek treatment from your physician. If you have been exposed to someone who has tested positive for COVID-19, contact your supervisor for further instructions. Proper, thorough hand washing is a key to slowing the spread of COVID-19 in public places. Wash your hands or apply hand sanitizer anytime you have touched a surface that may have been touched by others, such as doorknobs or office equipment. Avoid touching your face with your hands as much as possible, but if you have to touch your face, be sure you have washed your hands first. Use soap and water to wash your hands. First, lather your hands with soap for at least 30 seconds. Ensure that you have washed the palm and backs of both hands, each finger, between fingers, fingertips, and wrists thoroughly before rinsing with water. Dry your hands completely with a clean paper towel. Use the paper towel to turn off the faucet and open the bathroom door before discarding it. Wearing gloves can help protect you when touching surfaces or handling objects that may have been contaminated. In order to minimize the risk of infection for those who work in close quarters, such as those riding in trucks, it is essential to wear personal protective equipment, or PPE, throughout the day. This includes wearing gloves and masks at all times. Following proper procedures for putting on and removing PPEs are important to minimize the risk of infection. After washing your hands, put on a fresh pair of gloves before returning to the task at hand. To put on gloves, grab each glove by the edge of the wrist, then slide them over each hand. When removing gloves, remember that the outside of the gloves is likely contaminated. Using your glove hand, grab the edge of the other glove, peel it off, and hold on to it. Then use the inside of that glove to grab the wrist, peeling off the second glove over the first glove. Discard the gloves inside a waste container, then immediately wash and dry your hands or apply an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. When putting on a mask, first secure the elastic bands around the ears. Next, fit the flexible band to the bridge of your nose. Finally, adjust the mask to fit snugly around the face below the chin. As with gloves, remember that the front of the mask is contaminated. Don't touch it. Instead, grab the mask by the edge of the elastic bands and remove it without touching the front. Discard the mask in a waste container and then immediately wash and dry your hands or apply an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Although these masks are disposable, you can safely store them inside a secured bag for further use unless they are greatly soiled or damaged. By following these safety and health guidelines, we can reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19 in our communities and continue the essential service of providing clean, safe drinking water to our customers. Thank you for your attention, and be safe out there.